Hello, this is lesson 3, the animal pyramid doodle notes. For this lesson, you're going to need a few things. First, you are going to need a paper from the supply shelf that looks like this on one side. So it's titled The Energy Pyramid. And when you flip the paper over, it also looks like this. So it's a double-sided piece of paper, and one side looks like this, the other like this. You're going to start on this side. Some supplies that you'll need for your assignment is something to write with. I'm going to use a pen because it's easier to see, but you can use a pencil, that's preferred. You also need a highlighter, and then you need some colored pencils, crayons. You can also use markers if you're more interested in that. Just if you use markers, you need to make sure you use them lightly because it's a double-sided piece of paper. When you use them, they might bleed through. So those are the supplies that you need. Go ahead and get those supplies first. So pause this video, go get those supplies, and then come back. Okay, so we're going to first start on this side of the paper. You are going to read this twice. The first time, you're just going to read through it really quickly. You're just browsing, kind of getting the gist of what it's talking about. The second time you read through it, I want you to read carefully. You're going to use your highlighter. You're going to highlight the sentences that define what the header words say. So, for example, this says the energy pyramid. In this little paragraph, I'm going to find a sentence that tells me what an energy pyramid is. So, as we start, the energy pyramid is a graphical representation of the flow of energy in an ecosystem from one trophic level to the next. Look at that, it's the first sentence, because that tells me what an energy pyramid is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight that sentence. Like that. So as you read through the second time, you are going to do this for every paragraph. The next one is producers. So I'm going to find a sentence that tells me what producers are. Next one, primary consumers, and so on. Once you finish this, also, if you would like some help reading through this side of the assignment, there is a video that's further down in the lesson where I read it out loud and follow along, so you're more than welcome to turn that video on and listen to it as you read it, if you would like. I know that helps sometimes. So once you finish that, you're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to use this paper, and you're going to fill in all the blanks. Now, what I want you to do, the way that you are going to answer the blanks in this, you're going to try your best to do it on your own for each section. So you're going to go to the first section and just, okay, can I fill in this section by myself? Fill in what you can, and then you're going to go to in Canvas on the lesson. There's this little yellow Google Slides. You're going to click on that. That is a slideshow that will tell you what should go in these blanks. You can read through the slides. It will tell you what you should be putting on here. Your job is to read through this, think about what it could be, really think about it before you go to the slideshow, because I want you to be thinking about each one of these words. If you go to the slideshow and just copy down the right answers and don't actually read what you're writing, you're not going to learn anything from this. So make sure that you are thinking about this, reading through it as you're doing it, because you want to learn what each of these levels can do and things like that. So once you have done that, yes, you are going to color it, okay? And I have so graciously colored an example paper so you can see maybe the caliber of coloring I am looking for. This is a perfect opportunity for you to just kind of turn your brain off. You can have a little break, color this paper, and then once you're done with both sides and coloring, you may turn this in and move on to the next lesson.